Hi, Dr. Sara here again with Dr. Diep for really anybody to prevent neck problems, but especially if you notice tension, headaches, jaw pain, TMJ dysfunction, these are going to be really important to do.
Yes, in my TMJ clinic, we have a lot of patients coming in and say, "Oh, I have headache right here or headache right here," after a day at the desk. And I have at the same time jaw tightness, clenching, and when I ask them further or touch the point, I find there is muscle knot on the neck. And so in general, the root of the problem around TMJ here most likely coming from the trap here. When the trap is tight, the back area, this area is tight, it will radiate up to here. And when this is tight, it will radiate up to here. And then the TMJ problem, ear ringing, dizziness, and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So it's good to stretch it out every 2 hours when you're at the computer desk. Make it a habit to stand up and stretch.
Yeah, set a timer at least a couple times a day. Yes. Ideally every couple hours, but a lot of people probably won't do that. So at least I would say 2 times a day.
Yes, but 2 minutes only.
You could do it. You could do it every 2 hours.
Let's do 2 minutes, 3 different positions.
Okay, let's start with the first one.
So the first one is we're talking about this strap, right? And when you sit at the desk, usually you're tight here and you have your hand. You put it here, you already open it up, correct? But one way that you can really open it up is you put your hand on and then you pull your ear towards your shoulder like this. When you pull, you really open up. So if you're sitting at your desk, you use one hand to hold on to your chair and the other hand pull. But the best way is you stand up and go against the wall. If I'm doing this like this, it doesn't help. But if I'm straight up, put my head on top of my spine and do this will help. But if I do like this, it doesn't help.
The alignment is really important. So being against the wall will get your head over your shoulders so that you can do the stretch appropriately.
Okay, so what we do is we find a wall and you put your heel against the wall and you put your head against the wall. So now your spine is aligned, right? And then you go like this, ear to shoulder, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You feel the stretch, but your head never leaves this wall. Okay? So that's number 1. Number 2 is this SCM. So when you're tight, your SCM can send signal here and create ear ringing. The SCM have 2 belly. The sternum will send signal and have tension here and here. And the clavicular will send signal to have ear ringing. So sometimes you feel ear fullness, not even ringing, but it's from here. So what you do is, again, head in, so your spine, and look back, like somebody is trying to stab you in the back. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see how you open this up? And now relax. And then turn the other way. Head back, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Your head never leaves the wall. That way you exercise with the spine straight. Okay?
I like using the eyes with it. I think that's really helpful to incorporate where your gaze is when you're doing some of these stretches. And then the third one.
Everybody remember Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Okay, so nose to armpits. That open up this neck muscle. So what you do is this time your head have to be away from the wall. But you put nose to armpits. You look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see how you can stretch it out and sink it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so one side.
And where's
The
your
other side.
hand? Is it on just the top,
On the
or
top,
is it
on the top,
holding?
and you push it down, but not too hard at the beginning because
Gotcha.
neck is gentle, right? So you take a deep breath, look towards your armpits and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A deep breath, 7, 8, 9, 10. You feel that you really can stretch it out.
Yeah. And so important to include the deep breathing when you're doing these stretches. If you're not breathing, if you're holding your breath, you're tightening the muscles. So when you breathe, you send a signal to relax the muscles, and that will be very important.
Okay,
So
that
great.
take
Thanks
only
so much.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Out of 2 hours.
Yeah, I agree. So goal, every 2 hours you could try to do a 2-minute stretch to save your neck.
Okay.